Napakahirap po para sa amin ang makialam sa problema na kinasasangkutan ng kilala at ginagalang na organization. Ang Philippine National Police po ay nakapagtala ng 19 na vehicular accidents na kinasasangkutan ng ilang mga big bikers na nakilahok sa ginanap na Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge nitong nakaraang February 2024. Hindi pa po kabilang dito ang mga kaawa-awang biktima at mga namatay sa mga nagdaang taon. Nararapat lamang po na pigilan natin ang lalong pagdami ng mga ito para mapigil.
Highway Patrol.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Police,
You
sir.
are representing your boss also?
Yes, sir.
And what is your position in that unit?
I am the Deputy Director for Operations, sir.
Oh, I see. And why is he absent?
He's on official leave, sir.
Oh, official leave. So your OIC should have been the one coming here. Di ba? Eh kasi pag nag-leave yung commander, I know for a fact that the OIC designate should be the one to attend or would perform the job of the commander. Tama po. Bakit wala rin po yung OIC designate?
I will ask our deputy, sir, for the reason.
You will ask your deputy. Okay. Ano ang pangalan mo, Iho?
I am Police Colonel Felix Bebo Jr., sir.
Yeah. PNP Region 1, who is representing General Evangelista?
Sir, present, sir. Your
You're
Honor.
present?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mabuti ka pa. How about Region 2?
Sir, Brigadier General Christopher Birong.
Present?
Yes, sir.
Region 3?
Sir, I'll be representing my regional director, sir, Police Colonel Reynaldo Esogay Jr., sir.
Police Colonel Reynaldo Ogay.
Yes, sir.
And where is your boss?
Sir, he's having a meeting with the governor of Pampanga, sir.
He's having a governor. Hindi ba pwedeng ikaw ang makipag-meet sa governor ng Pampanga at pumunta rito yung iyong boss? Hindi pwede yun?
Ako pong inutusan, sir.
Ikaw ang inutusan?
To represent him, sir.
Okay. Region 10, PNP?
Yes,
Is
sir.
General Layog present?
Present, sir. Police Brigadier General Layog, sir.
Yeah. And Region 11, General Torre?
Present, sir. Police Brigadier General Nicolas Torres, sir.
Congratulations for new assignment.
Thank you, sir.
SBMA, who is representing SBMA?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I am Attorney Ramon Agregado, Senior Deputy Administrator of SBMA.
Thank you. The province of Bohol.
Good morning, sir. Attorney Anino, sir.
Okay. The city government of Dagupan.
Good morning, sir. Mayor Belen Fernandez from Dagupan.
Thank you po. The municipal government of Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Is the mayor present? The Honorable Manalansan? Absent. Is the mayor of the municipality of San Juan present? Okay. Is the Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines represented this morning?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
And please identify yourself.
Giselle Manuel, Associate Policy Officer po.
Thank you. And yun pong principal organization dito, nandito po ba yung representatives ng BMW Owners Society of Safety Riders? Is Mr. Joseph Tan present?
Nandito po.
Nandito? Okay. The representative of the Automobile Association of the Philippines. Nandito po.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the Automobile Association of the Philippines, Attorney Roberto.
Thank you. Motorcycle Philippines Federation. May representative ba si dati-rati? Ito si Mr. Atoy Santa Cruz na nagre-represent dito eh. Ha? Oh. Nice to see you again sa hearing. Motorcycle Rights Organization. May representative po ba? Wala. The Adventure Team of the Philippines Incorporated. Present. Mr. Jobert Bolanos. Yung bang representative? May no? Kung sino po ang representative ng Motorcycle Rights Organization? Wala? And the guest of the Honorable Busita, Police Master Sergeant Ray J. De Los Trinos, present. Miss May Ann Lorcha, present. Police Senior Master Sergeant Alexander Roldan,
present, Your Honor.
Present, thank you. And Miss Shirley Diso, nandito po?
Present, sir.
Present. Okay, thank you. Now, the DILG, who is the representative of the DILG? Ayusek Barreto, sir? Okay. The representative of the Department of Public Works and Highways?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Jonathan Araulio po, from Director of the Bureau of Quality and Safety. And we also have representative from the Bureau of Maintenance and DPWH Region 1.
Thank you. And do we have a representative of the Department of Tourism?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Margarita San Jose of the Tourism Promotions Board, Philippines. Officer in charge of the Domestic Promotions Department.
Okay. My distinguished colleagues, members of the Committee on Transportation, and all our honorable guests, a pleasant good morning. Thank you for joining us today as we take up measures pertaining to a very relevant transportation concern. At the outset, I would like to thank the Committee on Rules for allowing us to conduct this meeting while Congress is in recess. Today, we will deliberate on the following measures. House Resolution number 1612, entitled Resolution Directing the Committee on Transportation and Public Order and Safety to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation on the series of life-threatening incidents arising from the recent 2024 Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge Luzon leg by the Honorables Bonifacio Busita and Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. House Resolution number 1620, a resolution urging the Committee on Public Order and Safety in aid of legislation the involvement of motorcycle endurance event riders in road accidents in Dagupan City, San Juan in La Union, and Isabela on February 26, 2024, resulting in fatalities and injury for the purpose of improving public safety by the Honorable Richard Gomez. And we have the privileged speech of the Honorable Bonifacio Busita entitled Series of Life-Threatening Incidents Arising from Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge. We are discussing these three measures even while Congress is on break because of the implications of the surrounding issues to the life and safety of road users. The BMW Owners Society of Safe Riders Ironman Motorcycle Challenge, which started in 2006, has become an annual event that draws motorcycle enthusiasts in what is supposedly an endurance challenge. However, reports of road accidents involving the participants of the BIMC raised several questions as to the real objective of the event. Some concerned stakeholders believe that the event has assumed a character similar to a race competition, supported by the fact that recognitions or awards are given to top finishers. As stated by the Honorable Bonifacio Busita during his privileged speech on March 5, 2024, the 2024 edition of the BIMC has recorded 19 vehicular incidents as of February 2024, 3 of which had led to fatal consequences. Meanwhile, the Honorable Richard Gomez in House Resolution number 1620 mentioned similar road accidents involving BIMC participants in 2017 and 2023. Just recently, a participating rider died after his motorcycle collided with a commuter van while plying the provincial road in the province of Quezon in the morning of June 16, 2024. Given the worsening trend of the conduct of the event, this committee finds it compelling to hold this inquiry in order to, number one, determine if there are existing policies regulating this event and if these policies are strictly followed. 2, to determine whether or not there are possible violations of the provisions of Public Act number 4136 or the Land Transportation and Traffic Code and other related traffic laws in the process of completing the challenge, and determine if there is a need to provide new policies or to amend the existing ones to conform to the standards of road safety and accountability under the prevailing circumstances. Let me stress that this committee is not against the conduct of this activity, which aimed to promote the BMW Owners Society of Safe Riders, an organization established not only to gather people sharing the same passion, but also to initiate and undertake charity and outreach programs for the benefit of the underprivileged. What we are concerned about is the manner in which this activity is carried out, as there are claims that the challenge, conceptually designed to test the endurance of the participants and their motorcycles, now resembles competition. If these allegations are true, we need to discuss what must be done to ensure the safety not only of the participants, but also of other road users and pedestrians. Aside from these safety issues, we also need to discuss the matter of accountability. We want to know as to who shall be held responsible for the loss of lives, physical injuries, or damages to property by reason of or on occasion of the BMW Owners Society of Safety Riders Ironman Motorcycle Challenge. We have invited the relevant agencies as well as other motorcycle organizations in order to get the proper context and whole picture of this issue. We hope to gather pertinent facts and information which this committee will consider in crafting its recommendations to address the issues raised on this matter. To formally begin this inquiry, I will first give the floor to the authors to elaborate on the measures in our agenda. May I request the Honorable Busita to be followed by the Honorables Gutierrez and Gomez to come up with their sponsorship speech insofar as their resolutions and privilege speech are concerned. And before we proceed, may I ask the COMSEC to administer the oath to all those resource persons who are present this morning. COMSEC.
May I request all our resource persons to please stand, raise your right hand, and please repeat after me. I state your name and circumstances. Do hereby solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry. So help me God.
Thank you, Comsec. And before we proceed, let me recognize the presence on Zoom of the Honorable Joseph Gilbert Filago, representing the 2nd District, Province of Nueva Ecija. Welcome po and good morning, sir.
Madam Chairman.
Thank you. The Honorable Busita is now recognized. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, good morning. Sa ating lahat po, good morning. First and foremost, Mr. Chair, on behalf of One Rider Party List and motorists, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa ating Honorable Speaker, Martin Romualdez, and to our Chair, Committee on Transportation, dahil alam po nating lahat, recess ngayon, pero nabigyan po ng priority itong issue na to. And also to our resource persons, sa inyo po, maraming salamat. Mr. Chair, bilang isang big biker, nangarap din po ako na maging kasapi ng BMW Owners Society of Safe Riders, BOSS, dahil alam ko po ang advokasya ng mga bumubuo nito. Marami silang ginagawa para sa ating mga kababayan na walang hinihintay na bayad o kapalit. Ako po at ang aking kasama sa One Rider Party List, Honorable Congressman Rod Gutierrez, ay kapareho po nila ng mga big bikers and road safety advocates. Marami rin po kaming kakilala at mga kaibigan na nakikisa at sumusuporta sa kanila. Dahil dito, napakahirap po para sa amin ang makialam sa problema na kinasasangkutan ng kilala at ginagalang na organization. Pero bilang halal ng taong bayan, tayo po ay may responsibilidad na dapat gampanan dumarating sa ating buhay na kailangan nating pumili at kailangan nating masaktan o makasakit sa damdamin ng iba, hindi para sa ating sariling interes lamang, kundi para sa interes ng mga ating pinaglilingkuran, lalo na sa mahihirap na walang kakayahang proteksyonan at ipagtanggol ang mga sarili. Mr. Chair, ang Philippine National Police po ay nakapagtala ng 19 na vehicular accidents na kinasasangkutan ng ilang mga big bikers na nakilahok sa ginanap na Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge nitong nakaraang February 2024. 5 po dito sa Region 1, 8 sa Region 2, 4 sa Region 3, 1 sa Region 1, Region 10, at 1 po sa Region 11. 3 po sa mga biktima dito ang namatay. 1 sa San Juan, La Union, 1 sa Dagupan City, Pangasinan, at 1 sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Mr. Chair, ang nabanggit po na 19 na vehicular accidents na kinasasangkutan ng ilang mga big bikers na nakilahok sa Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge ay naganap lamang nitong nakaraang event. Hindi pa po kabilang dito ang mga kaawa-awang biktima at mga namatay sa mga nagdaang taon. Libo-libong pamilya na po ang nagdudusa at lalong naghihirap at libo-libong bata na ang nasisira ang buhay at kinabukasan dahil nawalan sila ng tatay o nanay, resulta ng mga road crosses sa iba't ibang lugar ng ating bansa. Nararapat lamang po na pigilan natin ang lalong pagdami ng mga ito para mapigilan din naman natin ang mabilis na pagdami ng mga bata na maaaring maging pabigat sa ating lipunan sa mga darating na panahon. Ang bawat tao po o anumang asosyasyon ay may karapatan at kalayaan na maging masaya at ipakita ang kanilang galing at talento. Pero ang karapatan at kalayaang ito ay may hangganan po o limitasyon kapag naapakan at nasisira ang karapatan at kalayaan ng iba. Iginagalang po natin at kinikilala ang hindi masusukat at hindi mapantayang advokasya ng BMW Owner Society of Safe Riders, BOSS, at ang mga nakikisa at sumusuporta sa kanila. Ganon pa man, Mr. Chair, kailangan po nating pigilan ang pagdami ng mga batang naulila at nasisira ang buhay at kinabukasan, hindi lamang para sa kanilang pamilya, kundi para sa Diyos at para sa ating bayan. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po muli sa binigay niyo pong panahon para mabigyan ng atensyon itong issue na ito.
Thank you, Honorable Busita.